everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen different type of integral and thus we have seen today the difference between these two integrals. Okay, first I is equal to integration tan inverse under root 1 minus sin x and divide 1 plus sin x. Second integral I1 is equal to integration cot inverse in bracket 1 plus sin x divided by cos x bracket complete dx. Okay, if you want the simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, let's do start. First we simplify the term under root 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x and 1 plus sin x and divided by cos x. Okay, the both we can simplify first term. Okay, then first we now see this is the 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x. We can write as half angle formula for the sin x, that means this is the 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 and divided by 2, this is the 1 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. But we know that all the 1 is equal to also have identity have that means this is the 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. We can write they also in terms of half angle. Yes, therefore we can write as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, then this is minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 and this is whole throughout divided by cos square x by 2 plus this is sin square x by 2, this is plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, and we can write the term as simplification form as cos x by 2 minus this is the sin x by 2 bracket square, and this term become as cos x by 2 positive plus sin x by 2 bracket square. Now we can this is the under root term we can take on, that means this is under root 1 minus sin x and divide 1 plus sin x, then also this is we can take in under root. Yes, okay, then this is the get outside term and becomes cos x by 2 minus this is sin x by 2 and this is the cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now we can divide by throughout by cos x by 2, then we get this is 1 minus tan x by 2 and this is we get 1 plus tan x by 2. Now we can the simplified term 1 plus sin x divide cos x, therefore 1 plus sin x divide cos x. Okay, and this term we can write 1 plus sin x, that means this term becomes as cos x by 2 plus sin x bracket square. Yes, okay, therefore this term becomes as this is cos x by 2, this is plus sin x by 2 bracket square. But we know that cos x is equal to, that means this is cos 2 theta is equal to, we know that cos square theta minus sin square theta, this is divided by 2 also divided by 2. That means cos x is equal to, we get the cos square, this is x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Yes, okay, there we getting here these are the two factors here. We can write as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 bracket square also divided by this is terms we get cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 and other term becomes we get cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now here we observe one term get cancelled and one term here remaining, then we get this cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 and divided by this is the cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Then we can here the dividing by throughout cos x by 2, then we get 1 plus tan x by 2 and divided by 1 minus tan x by 2. Yes, okay, here we observe there is first in numerator sign negative and second integral here positive sign. Then we know that all 1 minus, then we can simplify this term 1 minus tan x by 2 and then 1 plus tan x by 2. We know that tan pi by 4 is equal to also 1 we can write minus this is tan x by 2 divided by, we can write 1 plus tan, this is pi by 4 and tan x by 2. Therefore we get here tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. These are the simplification term. Yes, okay. Therefore here I can write the simplification form here, tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Yes, yes, okay. Then now first we can integrate the integral I is equal to, therefore I is equal to integration tan inverse, we know that this is the tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 bracket complete dx. But here we know that the property tan inverse tan x is equal to, we can write as x, that means this term get cancelled, and integral, this is the pi by 4 minus x by 2 and dx. Now we integrate this function, then we get this is the pi by 4, this is x, minus this is 1 by 2 constant, and x integration x square divided by 2, and plus is the constant of integration. Therefore we get pi by 4 x minus this is the 1 by 4 x square, and plus is the constant of integration for the I. Yes, okay. Now we can simplify this term, as we can write the integral as is equal to, we can simplify this term, and then we get here 1 plus tan x by 2 and divided by 1 minus tan x by 2. This is the simplification term. Now I1 we can integrate, and we get here I1 is equal to integration cot inverse 1 plus this is the term tan x by 2 divide 1 minus tan x by 2 bracket complete and dx. But we know that the related formula for the tan inverse x is equal to, we can write as cot inverse x. Then this simplification terms becomes as tan inverse, we get 1 minus tan x by 2 and divide 1 plus this is the tan x by 2 bracket complete dx. Now here we can see the simplification form, we can write here 1 minus tan x by 2 and divide 1 plus tan x by 2. This is we know that the simplification form we can write as tan pi by 4 minus also x by 2. Yes, okay. Therefore this integral become, this is the tan inverse, and we can write here tan pi by 4 minus x by 2 bracket complete and dx. Now we observe here these both are same integral, here they both are integral same, this term and this term both are integral I1 and I2, these are the same. Yes, okay. Therefore the final solution we can write as same, it is I is equal to I1. Yes, okay. Yes, and this is the magic for the today's integral. We can see here the difference between these two integrals. Yes, okay. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.